click on the Configuration menu item on the navigation bar and click on Points of Interest. To create a new point of interest, click on the Add Point of Interest button in the top right corner of the data grid. The Create New Point of Interest panel will open. Type in the desired location name in the provided field. To create a radius around the point of interest, first enter a numerical value in the radius field, and then select a unit of measure from the Unit drop-down menu. Use the Location Group drop-down menu to select a location group if applicable. Next, click on the Define button on the right and use the map screen or accompanying text fields to the left to define the location of the point of interest, and click on the Save button in the bottom right corner. This will return you to the Create New Point of Interest panel. Select a symbol to represent your point of interest and click on the color picker icon to select a background color. Once you have configured your point of interest, click on the Save button in the bottom right corner to return to the main point of interest page. To edit existing points of interest, click on the pencil icon on the right side of the data grid on the Points of Interest page that corresponds to the point of interest that you wish to edit. The Edit Point of Interest panel will open, allowing you to edit any of the parameters required for this point of interest. To upload custom layers such as GeoJSON, KML, or KMZ files, click on the Upload Layer button at the top right corner of the data grid. Click on the radio button next to either provide an external link to where Tracertrak can find the file, and then enter the link into the URL field for your custom map layer, or click on the radio button next to select your local file to upload to the map server. Then click on Click to Upload and browse to the location of your file. Once completed, click on the Save button in the bottom right corner. You will now be able to toggle the custom map view on and off using the cog icon on the main map page of the Tracertrak console. To access points of interest groups, first click on Configuration on the navigation bar, and then click on Points of Interest Groups. On this screen, you can add, edit, and delete points of interest groups. To add a group, click on the Add Group button at the top of the data grid. This will present the Edit Point of Interest Group panel. Enter the name of the group by typing in the Group Name field. Next, select the points of interest that you wish to add to the group from the list below. Clicking on the points of interest that you want to add to the group will highlight that point of interest, showing that it is added. To remove a point of interest from the group, click on that point of interest in the list, and it will be unhighlighted and moved to the bottom of the list and no longer part of the group. To finish, click on the Save button in the bottom right corner of the panel, and you will return to the main Points of Interest Groups page. To edit existing points of interest groups, click on the pencil icon to the right side of the data grid on the Points of Interest Groups page that corresponds with the group that you wish to edit. The Edit Point of Interest Group panel will open, allowing you to edit any of the parameters required for this group. To bulk delete points of interest groups from the main Point of Interest Groups page, click on the checkboxes that correspond with the groups that you wish to delete. Then click on the Delete button at the bottom of the screen.